Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily remove the background from any image in Canva, a super handy trick for creating clean, professional looking designs. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for free, but keep in mind the background remover tool is available only for Canva Pro users. Once you're in, open an existing project or start a new one by clicking the Create a Design button. Choose your preferred size or pick a ready-made template that suits your project. Now it's time to bring in your photo. On the left-hand side, click Uploads, then select Upload Media. Find the image on your device, and once it's uploaded, drag and drop it right onto your design canvas. Click on your image to select it, and then look toward the top toolbar. You'll see an option called Edit Image. Click that, and a panel will appear on the left showing different editing tools. From there, choose Background Remover. Canva will do the hard work for you. In just a few seconds, it automatically detects your subject and removes the background. Pretty cool, right? If you notice any areas that need fixing, you can touch them up using the Erase and Restore tools. The Erase tool helps clean up leftover bits of background, while the Restore tool brings back any details that might have been removed accidentally. Once you're happy with how it looks, feel free to get creative. You can add text, apply filters, or include other design elements to make your image pop. Finally, when you're done, click the download button in the top right corner. Choose your file type, like PNG for transparent backgrounds, and save it to your computer. And that's it. You've just removed the background in Canva like a pro. It's fast, simple, and perfect for product photos, profile pictures, or marketing materials. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick Canva tutorials.